What's up guys, Thomas here, Rc-Xtreme, down at the gravel pit. Been a while since I've been down here. Problem is everything is frozen here, so it's like bashing on concrete or asphalt pipe. And of course I missed my 3S LiPo for the fans, motor fan. So I'm gonna keep this short as possible. Oof, sounds so nasty. Try to do some massage of the pile down here, so see if we can do some kind of, but I highly doubt that. So awesome, but that was probably one. It is so freezing. Talk about luck. It is so rough here when it's frozen. Ooh. So cold. What we got here? Sorry for the wind, guys. Stand there. It's just around the freezing point there, so wouldn't be surprised if there were some plastic. Good luck. See what we can do here. Ooh, that was close. That was actually quite good bashing today. My can't feel any fingers, but that's the way it is. Gonna quit now before I got any kind of temp issues. I'm pretty pleased. I got one more car too. Okay. Need to end with style. So the next car up is actually my 6S powered Traxxas hose. Okay, there it is. Well, that's it, guys. I'm pretty pleased.